Are you ready to elevate virtual meetings in 2024? Google Meet has rolled out exciting new features that can transform how connect with colleagues and friends. From improved collaboration tools to enhanced security options, there is so much to explore. In this guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Google Meet, ensuring your video calls are engaging and productive. Don't let outdated methods hold you back. Let's dive in and revolutionize your online communication. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Meet. First of all you have to do is just dive into meet.google.com, or you can also click over here and you search about Google Meet like that. Here we have it, then you click over it. Here we have the homepage. As you can see, we have your video calls and meetings for everyone. Connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with Google Meet. So what is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing platform by Google designed for hosting virtual meetings and webinars. Its purpose is to enhance communication and collaboration, enabling users to connect seamlessly from anywhere. With features like screen sharing and real-time captions, it supports both personal and professional interactions. In a digital world, Google Meet is essential for fostering teamwork and maintaining relationships remotely. So, to get started, you have firstly to click over new meets. You can just click over create a meeting for later. About this one, we have here send this to people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later too. So this is it. You can just copy it and share it with your friends, with your colleagues, with teammates, or other things. You can also enter a code or link. So this is my code, and if someone send me this like this one, I will just put it here and I will join. And here we have also other information, like here we have top premium Google Meet features. Enjoy longer group calls and more with a 1 month trial of a Google One premium plan. Then we have here also host longer group calls. Meetings of 3 or more participants can last up to 24 hours, exceeding your current 1 hour limit. Meetings can include up to 100 participants. Then we have here also live stream to YouTube, and we have capture and share recordings, eliminate background noise. Then we have get a link you can share, and we have plan ahead, your meeting is safe, and we have the so that's it. Then let's click over new meeting, and I will click over start next meeting. Once you click over it, you will find other page, which is this one. Once you do that, you will find this one. So your meeting is ready. Here we have add others, or share this meeting link with others you want in the meeting. Here we have meet.google.com. As you can see, you can just add other people like that, just invite it, or you can enter name or email, and then you get started. Then we have also other things here like show more info, and we have video settings, and we have turn on caption, send a reaction, present now, and we have raise hand, and more options. Like here we have change layouts, full screen, open picture in picture, apply visual effects, turn on captions, report problem, report abuse, and we have trouble shutting and help settings also. Then if you wanna leave the call, also we have your meeting details, people, also we have here chat with everyone, and we have activities here and host controls. So this is it. Let's come back here. So you can also click over new meeting, and you will find here schedule in Google Calendar. You have just to click over it and you will find this page. Here we have, you can just add a title, like for example something live stream or live gaming. Then you just choose to here the day. We have for October, this is the day, and also you can choose other days, so for example this one, and then you select the time, for example like that, and then you'll put it for example 2 hours. Then we have here October, and we have time zone. You can also select here the option of all day, or you can just select only this day. We have here the if you want it does not repeat daily, and we have weekly on Thursday, monthly on the third Thursday, or annually on October 17, or we have every weekday also. For example, like that, annually on October. Then we have event details. We have join with Google Meet. You can add the location, add notification also. As you can see, then we have here also free or we are busy. Then we have default visibility, public, private, or default visibility. Then you add a description here. Also we have here add guests permissions, we have a modify event, and we have here invite others, see guest list. Then you click over save. Also here we have find a time. About this one you have just to select the time. For example, here you select this one, for example for 17, or you can also select here the day of the week. We have here all guests, required guests, no guests, and then we have add guest if you want, and that's it how it works with this one. Then we have here also settings. You can just click over and you will know more information. We have your host management, lets you restrict what contributors can do in the meeting and lets you appoint co-hosts. We have your contributors, share their screen, send chat messages, send reaction. Then we have your hosts must join before anyone else. Meeting access type, we have it open, trusted also. You can just click over save, as you can see. Then if you want to copy conference info, and this is how it works. So Google Meet is an essential tool for seamless virtual communication, whether for work, education, or socializing. Its intuitive features enhance collaboration and engagement, making meetings more productive. By following these simple steps, you can easily navigate the platform and make the most of your online interactions. Embrace Google Meet to elevate your virtual experiences. So this is how it works with Google Meet. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very easy. You have just to share your information if you want just to call your friends or your teammates or your co-work. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been fun and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.